Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change keyboard size on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings. Okay, then scroll down. Okay, tap on search bar, then search on text size. Click on text size. Okay, this volume button is text size, then up and down, up and long your font size. Okay, check. Then all name size is long, just click. Then keyboard size, font size long, that's all. Then back. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.